Welcome guys, today I am with JBL Synchros E50BT and I'm gonna show you how you can pair them with your laptop. So at the first, just be sure that your device is turned off. So use this Bluetooth button. When you are going to turn it off, this Bluetooth button will be blinks for the 2 times on the red. And right now, when it's turned off, you have to just click once on this Bluetooth button. Right now it will light up 2 times for the white, and after that it will switch to the red and the white. It will blinking, so it means that right now it's in the pairing mode. So we have to go for the Bluetooth settings on our Windows. Go for the settings. You have to go for the Bluetooth and devices. You have to click to add a device, select Bluetooth. Of course, you have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher and then select your JBL E50BT. And after a few seconds, we will be successfully connected, and there it is. So as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.